Hi, welcome to Futures Classes. Please make sure to subscribe and like so that we can continue sharing content with you. Today we're going to learn about order entry basics. This includes different order types and basic rules and topics within order entry.
Understanding these is key to managing your trades effectively. First, we have market orders. This is the simplest type of order where you buy or sell at the current market price. It's fast and ensures the order is executed, but you might not get the exact price you want. Next, limit orders. These let you specify the price you're willing to buy or sell at. If the market reaches that price, your order is filled. It gives you more control over the price, but doesn't guarantee execution. If the market doesn't reach your set price, then there are stop orders. These are used to limit losses or protect profits. A stop order turns into a market order once the price hits a certain level, triggering your exit from the trade. Bracket orders are a combination of limit and stop orders. They allow you to set both a take profit level and a stop loss at the same time, protecting you from unexpected price swings. Lastly, trailing orders. These are dynamic stop orders that move with the market. As the price moves in your favor, the stop order adjusts, helping you lock in profits while still allowing the trade to run. Each of these order types plays a critical role in managing risk and optimizing your trading strategy. At futuresclasses.com, we'll teach you how to use them effectively.